Imagine waking up to a drone that can soar 4,000 meters high, or a pen that could save your life in a crash. Sounds like something out of a spy movie, right? Well, these gadgets aren't just Hollywood fiction. They're real, and you can get them on Amazon right now. In 2024, technology is all about pushing boundaries and blending fun with functionality. Ready to discover the coolest gadgets that will blow your mind? Let's dive in. Number 1. Hone Firefly. Let's kick things off with the Hone Firefly, an amazing flying copter that's more than just a drone. It's designed to push the boundaries of what we expect from aerial gadgets. With a top speed of 27.7 meters per second and a cruising speed of 15.8 meters per second, the Firefly is built for both speed and efficiency. Imagine soaring through the sky with a range that allows you up to 100 minutes of flight time at 60 kilometers per hour. What really makes it stand out, though, is its portability. The Firefly comes in a sleek carry case that shrinks down its dimensions, making it incredibly easy to take on the go. The Firefly isn't just about fun. It's packed with tech that ensures you capture the best footage. It can connect at altitudes of up to 4,000 meters and transmits crystal clear 1080p video at a range of 10 kilometers, while also supporting 2K video recording at 30 frames per second. This gadget is perfect for adventure enthusiasts who want to capture their experiences from a whole new perspective. Number 2. Cooler Master Hybrid M. Next up is the Cooler Master Hybrid M, a gadget that redefines what it means to have a comfortable gaming or work experience. This isn't just any chair. It's a 2-in-1 massage and gaming chair that also doubles as a high-performance office chair. Imagine reducing muscle pain while you game or work for hours. This chair makes it possible. It features heat therapy to relax your muscles, and it comes with a built-in massive 48,000 mAh power bank, so you can wirelessly charge your devices without worrying about getting tangled in cables. The design is sleek, with adjustable neck support to keep you comfortable during intense gaming sessions or long workdays. It's a chair that blends comfort with high-tech functionality, making it a must-have for gamers and professionals alike. Number 3. Titan Cart Wagon. The Titan Cart Wagon might sound like just another utility wagon, but it's so much more than that. This versatile folding wagon is designed to handle just about anything you throw at it, whether it's a family outing or a heavy-duty job. What sets it apart is its impressive capacity. It can hold up to 440 pounds with a massive 660-liter capacity. That's more than enough to haul all your gear, groceries, or even small furniture. But the Titan Cart isn't just about strength. It's about convenience, too. It's equipped with 5 wheels that all swivel, providing excellent maneuverability. There's even a built-in table, making it perfect for picnics or outdoor events. The 4.7-inch swivel wheels handle all terrains with ease, and the incline brake helps you control the wagon on steep hills, making it safe and easy to use in any environment. Plus, it's completely water-resistant, so you don't have to worry about leaving it out in the rain. This wagon is a game-changer for anyone who needs a reliable, versatile cart that can handle tough tasks with ease. Number 4. TIE EDC Wrench. For those who appreciate practical gadgets, the TIE EDC Wrench is a pocket tool that's hard to beat. Made of grade 5 titanium, this is one of the strongest and most versatile EDC tools you can find. It's an adjustable wrench that's perfect for tightening or loosening bolts and nuts, but it doesn't stop there. The maximum capacity allows you to grab an M6 nut and an M8 bolt, making it a handy tool for all sorts of quick fixes. But the TIE EDC Wrench is more than just a wrench. It's a multi-tool designed to be your go-to gadget in a pinch. It features a bottle opener, a glass breaker for emergency situations, a box cutter for opening packages, and even a measuring caliper. It's designed to be compact and portable, with the ability to attach it to your keychain or wear it as a pendant. This tool is not just practical, but also incredibly durable, making it an essential gadget for anyone who values readiness and efficiency. Number 5. Easy Play Ones. If you're a musician on the go, the Easy Play Ones is a gadget you're going to love. It's a portable music keyboard that fits right in your pocket. Well, maybe a large pocket, but you get the idea. This keyboard is designed for the musician who can't wait to get back to their studio to lay down a track. With built-in MIDI and over 10 sound libraries, you have everything you need to compose whenever inspiration strikes. The Easy Play Ones isn't just portable, it's powerful too. It offers multiple octaves, from C3 to C8, and you can even change the keycaps to suit your playing style. The battery life is impressive, giving you over 6 hours of continuous play on a single charge. And with 25 keys at your disposal, this keyboard gives you plenty of room to create. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned musician, The Easy Play Ones is a fantastic tool for making music on the move. Number 6. MPL L1 Tennis Ball Machine. Tennis enthusiasts, this one's for you. The MPL L1 Tennis Ball Machine is the most portable ball machine on the market, and it's here to change the way you practice. Imagine a machine that can serve balls at a whopping 50 miles per hour and carry up to 50 balls at a time. That's what the MPL L1 offers, all in a package that's smaller than your average tennis racket and weighs just 11 pounds. You can carry it around like a shoulder bag, making it incredibly convenient for solo practice sessions. What's really cool about the MPL L1 is its control system. It's operated via a mobile app, meaning you can adjust the speed, trajectory, and even the timing of your serves with just a few taps on your phone. Whether you're a beginner looking to improve the form, or a seasoned player working on your drills, this machine is an excellent way to up your game. Number 7. Godox Verso Vloggers Podcast Kit. For those who love creating content, the Godox Verso Vloggers Podcaster Kit is a must-have. This gadget is designed to elevate your audio game, whether you're vlogging, podcasting, or conducting interviews. The Godox Verso is a 2.4 GHz wireless mic system that's both portable and powerful. It's a cableless lavalier mic that can be mounted directly on your camera's shoe, providing superior audio quality without the hassle of wires. One of the standout features of the Godox Verso is its internal recording capability, which means you can capture high-quality audio even without a camera. The battery life is impressive, offering up to 40 hours with its charging case and 17 hours of non-stop recording time. This kit is perfect for content creators who want to improve their audio quality without investing in a ton of equipment. Number 8. Poga Game Anywhere Case. Gamers, imagine being able to take your gaming console anywhere you go without the hassle of packing and unpacking. That's exactly what the Poga Game Anywhere case offers. This all-in-one case is designed to house your PS5 or Xbox and comes with a built-in AOC monitor. The screen is a 23.8-inch Full HD display with a 165Hz refresh rate, ensuring you get the best visuals whether you're gaming at home or on the road. This case is a dream come true for gamers who want to take their console experience with them wherever they go, without sacrificing performance or convenience. Number 9. Survival Pen. Is the pen mightier than the sword? Well, the survival pen just might be. This gadget is a tactical defense tool that also functions as a regular pen. But it's not just any pen. It's designed to save lives. The survival pen comes with a concealed seatbelt cutter, making it a handy tool in case of a car crash. It also has a window breaker that allows you to escape from a vehicle if you're trapped. But that's not all. The pen features a telescoping tip that can be used for self-defense, providing a non-lethal way to ward off an attacker. Despite all these features, the survival pen is comfortable to write with, and the ink lasts long enough to write several novels before needing a refill. It's a gadget that combines practicality with safety, making it a must-have for anyone who values preparedness. Number 10. ZU Cube Trick X. Last but certainly not least, we have the ZU Cube Trick X, a gadget that takes wireless charging to a whole new level. This isn't your typical charging station. It's a 15-watt wireless charger that's QI2 certified, meaning it charges your devices faster and more efficiently than most other chargers on the market. What makes the Cube Trick X stand out is its magnetic design, which ensures your devices stay securely in place even during an earthquake. Yes, it's that strong. The ZU Cube Trick X is designed to be both functional and stylish, with a sleek aesthetic inspired by the Tesla Cybertruck. The charger uses multiple coils to ensure efficient charging, so you don't have to worry about finding the sweet spot like with some other wireless chargers. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the coolest gadgets of 2024. If you're ready to upgrade your tech game, these must-haves are just a click away. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome finds.